Here is another cool new feature about Java 9, that is the private methods in an interface. So in Java 8, if you see Java 8 brought in the concept of default methods and the static methods. That means now interface methods can have bodies. So when interface methods can have body, see in this example there can be a problem when you're making a payment or refunding a payment. You have to log that, and also you have to process some common things, that is you might be connecting to the bank server, you might be authenticating the things, right? So these things you have to perform, and if there were no private methods, then you have to repeat that logic. Since private methods were introduced into Java 9, now we don't need to repeat the logic. We can simply call those methods in here. So that actually helps us writing a cleaner Java code, and it avoids duplicate code in the default method, makes interface cleaner and safer. Also, encapsulation can be introduced into even the interfaces now. So let me just run this piece of code and see. Here we are trying to make a payment, and also we are trying to refund a payment, where in both the cases the logs has to be happen, and they have to connect to the bank servers, and authentication has to happen. So you can see that whether you are making a payment or you are refunding the payment, the common things will work fine for both. So this is the reason why private methods were introduced into an interface. When default and static methods were introduced, they had the body, and to avoid the repetition of the logic, we have now introduced something called as private methods in an interface. Hopefully this was something new to you. If you have learned something new, subscribe to my channel.